So the Sony soundbar setup, currently piping through my TV. Which is fine, nothing particularly special. I can change sound modes standard.
He fell in front of a train?
Fell, pushed, jumped. House in Malibu.
Alright, let's go to music now.
House in Malibu.
Using the remote.
Oh, it's
Let's
actually a
see.
funny story. The fellow who bought it is this incredibly rich. I have missed you.
Here we go, Bluetooth.
I don't see how you can hate from outside of the club. Yellow model cheese, yellow bottle sipping, yellow Lamborghini.
Gonna stand there and watch me burn. Well, that's alright, because I like.
They call you separate ways. Guess that they don't know you, cause today, that was yesterday. Yesterday is over, it's a different day. I could dream of ways to be with you. Please don't get me wrong, I just wanna see a picture.
I can tell, I don't know how it comes across in the video, but I can tell you it sounds awesome.
And to make it the best expression of Android and Google in the market, it will be the unadulterated version of Android, and I feel really good about our embracing Android and being the best Android experience.
See, now
Boom!
that is what you want to hear coming out of Google Motorola, right?
Totally.
Yes.
Get a little oomph behind it. Get a little. We got drive. We got.
There you go, it connects up very easily. You put a transceiver in, the bass unit in the actual soundbar. I couldn't get the optical cables to plug in properly, so I'm using an analog cable. You can switch between them quite easily using the remote up and down there through the different things. If I go back to analog, back to the TV, back to Bluetooth. They both need separate power sources. They've both got three UK standard 3 plug adapters, and obviously you need a cable from your sound source to the bar, but then the bar and the subwoofer connect wirelessly, so you can put it wherever. I don't know if you can. It'd be kind of handy if you could add satellite speakers near the back. I mean, I think the point being it's supposed to be able to do surround sound from just the soundbar, but that's it. The Sony soundbar with wireless subwoofer. It's your HT-CT260, this particular one. 2.1 channel surround sound soundbar.